we're at Ajax Hyundai. I'm just going to show you how simple it is to connect your Bluetooth to your new 2018 Hyundai Elantra. First of all, you want to go to your phone.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So as she said, we're going to go into our Bluetooth on our phone, and you'll see very intuitively the Elantra is here under Devices. We're going to click the Elantra. There's a passcode. We want to make sure that the passcode matches, so 398011, and it does, so we're going to go ahead and pair. We do want to allow it to sync with our contacts, so we're going to click Allow. And you will notice in minutes, you'll be connected with your Bluetooth, and it will start to download your contacts as well.